Hello everybody, it's 10:18 and 24 seconds on October 29th. I'm going to apologize for all the noise you're going to be hearing in the background over the next few days. I'm having the hardwood floors on the main floor of my house redone, so it's going to be very noisy. This is Marble Premier 15, first Iron Fist. Over here are the 11 filled spots. I'm going to roll the 3 dice. The number is lucky 13. Going to randomize 13 times. Name at the top of the list will get the book. I'll try to get it out today. Worst case tomorrow. Javier, for your spot number 1, I couldn't wait any longer. I got to get this run. So please pay when you have the opportunity. Thank you. That's 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And here comes the final one. 13, spot 11, Barney Stars. Congratulations. Time is 10:19 and 20.